Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to your profile. This lets you access the Add Friends menu. Once done, tap Add Friends. That central hub lists phone, username, snap code, and quick add. Make sure contacts permission and your phone number are enabled so Snapchat can match people you already know. You do this now to let the app surface accurate suggestions and nearby users. Enabling permissions reduces missed matches and speeds the rest of the process. You'll next sync and scan. First, tap all contacts to import and compare entries. Snapchat shows which contacts have accounts so you can add them quickly. Then, if you know a username, type it exactly into search. This is the fastest way to find a specific person because small typos return nothing. Once done, use the camera to scan a snap code for an instant profile link. Scanning bypasses spelling and contact gaps and connects you immediately. You finish by sending the actual ad request and verifying it went through. Tap Add on profiles found. Public accounts may follow you instantly, while private accounts show as pending. Once done, check your pending list. If a request isn't accepted within a couple days, resend or message them off-app. If you still can't find someone, make sure the username is spelled correctly, resync contacts, or ask them to share a current snap code. That typically fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.